Two senior citizens, including a woman, were found murdered at their residence at Ambaji, Fatauda on Monday. Fatauda police said that Miguel Miranda, aged 65, and his mother-in-law, Katrina Pinto, aged 85, were found brutally murdered at their residence. A senior police officer said that the neighbors alerted police about the dead bodies on Monday morning, after which the murder came to light. Fatauda police cracked double murder case within 24 hours, detained all the three accused involved in Fatauda double murder case at Dadar, Mumbai on 9th March 2021. The further investigation is in progress. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.